Hello friends, welcome here to what my 4-year-old eats throughout the day. I hope you would enjoy making these healthy and well-balanced breakfast, lunch, dinner and snack recipes for your kids. Let's get started.
Really good.
Here I'm taking some chopped up onions, some shredded cheddar cheese, some ghee, chopped up cilantro and some ketchup. Grease a pan and make the dosa batter spread into a thin circle and then add in the ingredients one by one. Just sprinkle it, and then for the ketchup I diluted it with a little water and added a few drops here and there. One easy thing that I like about making these cheese dosas is that you don't need any side dishes to go along with it, and the kids would enjoy eating this whether it's hot or even if it's slightly cold. The taste just remains the same. I'm using cheddar cheese here. You can use mozzarella as well, and add a dollop of ghee. Let it roast well. This crispy dosa can be folded in any ways, different kinds of folds I'm trying here, and it's breakfast time.
So I am going to take a piece of this yummy breakfast. Put it in the fork and eat it. Really yummy. Yummier than our whole house.
Anjali is not a big fan of plain milk. She has about 3/4 cup of milk here, and into that we'll add in a tablespoon of almond butter. We'll melt it slightly in the microwave, and also we'll mix in a teaspoon of cocoa powder and 2 to 3 dates which was soaking in warm water. We'll blend it all together and I'll give it to her like a smoothie drink. Is it sweet?
Very Look, when I drink it, it's going inside.
Yes, it's going inside your tummy.
It's going inside here.
Inside this countertop?
No. Inside the glass.
Ooh.
It's magic.
Mid-morning snack, I'm making some carrot fritters. So grating 2 carrots here, and then beat an egg, and then add the grated carrots into it, about 3/4 teaspoon of salt and some pepper and 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and garnish with some fresh cilantro, and slowly add in the wheat flour. I have taken about 4 tablespoons of wheat flour here. Slowly mix until everything is incorporated well, and grease a baking pan, and then just spoon out the carrot mixture like this. Make it as thin as possible, and then bake it in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes. I also turn it over and baked for a few minutes to make sure both sides are cooked well.
So today I'm going to peel an orange. So a long time ago I also peeled these easy oranges. So yeah, so I show you how to peel an orange. So first, the first part you have to peel with your tongue. For the other part, use these fingers. Put it attached and then just peel it like this. Just pull it out. It's half out. A juice fell in my eyes. So my juice fell in my eyes.
Oh,
Your orange in the juice.
orange in the juicer. Let me see.
In this side. In this side.
Wash it.
So yeah, just a juice fell in my eyes of this orange, so just wash my face.
Good job.
The orange is done.
But you know what?
What?
The peels have to go outside and the orange has to go on the plate.
Oh,
Where do the peels go?
in the trash. Sometimes my mom says that we sometimes get like a big mommy orange and a big like a small baby orange.
Yeah.
And in a baby orange, I always feel a little bit careful with the baby orange when I eat it.
Why?
Because I love taking care of babies.
Yeah.
And the baby will be soft and cozy with their mom. I'm going to eat my snack, guys. I want some more things like blueberry.
You want blueberries too?
Yeah. I love blueberries. You know, blueberries are my favorite fruit.
Is it?
Yeah, I have two favorite fruits. Blueberry and orange. Thank you.
So I have boiled in some sprouted moth beans here, and I'm just roasting it in the pan so that there is very little moisture in it. We'll add in 1 teaspoon of salt, red chili powder and turmeric powder, and also some amchur powder, and then some spinach leaves. Just let it mix and dry well on the pan. These moth beans are very good source of iron and vitamin B, and also after sprouting them, it enhances the antioxidant properties in these moth beans. Extremely nutritious to serve kids. And I'll gently mash it roughly, and then we'll start making the paratha as usual. Only one thing to take care is that there should be very less moisture in this filling. Especially for those of you who are vegetarians, making parathas like these are a great way to improve the quality of protein and the quantity of protein that your child has in their diets. For a side dish, I'm making some potato fry. Added in the usual masala powders into the hot pan in a little bit of oil, and then adding in the boiled small potatoes. Fry it well, and potatoes are a great source of carbohydrates. Especially for kids, they need that for fueling their brain and bodies, as well as it's good source of vitamin B. Serve the kiddos with some homemade curd, and the lunch is ready.
So today I'm going to try this yummy lunch. Well, I don't know how it tastes like, but I know it's yummy. Let's try it. I love this face that you made. Really good. That's why I told you it's really yummy before I taste this. Because it's supposed to be yummy.
Why? Why is it supposed to be?
Because my mom makes yummy food.
Do you want to try the potato?
With potato. It's kind of spicy. I'm not really.
Making chocolate chip muffins for an evening snack today. It's a very simple recipe to follow. With 1 egg, 3/4 cup of curd, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of oil, and also 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Adding baking soda 1/2 teaspoon and baking powder 1 teaspoon. And for sweetness, I'm adding 1/2 cup of honey. Then slowly we'll add in about 2 1/3 cup of atta into this mixing bowl, and then mix it to incorporate well into the batter. Adding chocolate chips and fold it into the dough.
It's even in snack time. So first we drink our milk and then we eat those snacks.
Yeah, and the snack is just coming, okay? So you can drink your milk.
Yeah. I only have a little bit of milk. The chocolate and melted to taste really good.
It does. Then for dinner we are having pesto pasta. So first, these are all the ingredients that I've taken. It's about 1 cup of broccoli florets, 1/2 cup of parsley leaves, 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1/4 cup of oil. I've also taken 1/4 cup of pine nuts and salt to taste. I'm using the small food chopper here, and in that I can blend it into the consistency that is Not too fine, but good enough for tasting the crunchiness and yet the flavor blended well into it. Then I shall boil in the pasta as well in some salted water. It takes about 12 to 14 minutes to cook into a soft texture. For making the sauce, adding 1/4 cup of butter, half a cup of heavy cream. Into that, let the butter heavy cream mixture melt together, but before the mixture boils, we'll add in the pesto that we prepared. We'll add about 4 tablespoons today, and the rest we'll save for later. And then just after the sauce is ready, pour it into the cooked pasta and just mix it well. I'm also garnishing it with some Italian seasoning and a little bit of red chili flakes, and the dinner is ready. As a quick side, I marinated a few shrimp that I had with a little bit of ginger garlic paste, salt and pepper and red chili powder. And then they are having it also with a little piece of avocado, and she is having the final dish for today.
I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you try this. Bye guys, until my next video.